Today we are going to discuss on the topic Arka Kalpana. Arka is a unique preparation in which essential oils from herbal drugs are extracted through distillation method. Nowadays, this Arka Kalpana is famous among Ayurvedic procedures. It is introduced in Ayurvedic pharmacy in later part of Samhita period, which is very specific in its mode of preparation and its therapeutic effect. It is a more palatable form of Ayurvedic dosage forms in comparison to Swarasa, Kalka, Kvata, etc. Arka Prakasha is the first Ayurvedic classical text in which various kinds of distillation procedures or heating methods are mentioned for preparing Arka from different type of dravya, especially for different therapeutic purpose. Arka Kalpana can be correlated with the distillation procedures in modern pharmaceutical practices. The 5 basic Kalpanas comprise of Swarasa, Kalka, Kvada, Hima and Fanda, but some Acharyas has difference of opinions in the respective formulary classifications. According to Arka Prakasha, Panchavidha Kashaya Kalpana includes Kalka, Churna, Rasa, Tail. This is the definition of Arka. Arka is a liquid preparation obtained by distillation of certain liquids or of drugs soaked in water using the Arka Yandra or any convenient modern distillation apparatus. As I told, the only historical referral book available for all Arka preparations is Arka Prakasha, which is written by Ravana, whose time period and identity is not properly known. Anyway, this is the historical reference available for Arka Kalpana, Arka Prakasha written by Ravana. The contents of this book you can see here. This book has 10 chapters which is named as Shatakas. Shatakas, in first and second Shataka, basics are being explained. Shataka 3rd and 4th have 195 and 50 different Aushadha Dravya Arka explained respectively. 5th, 6th and 7th Shataka contain Arka preparations. 5th, 6th, 7th contain Arka preparations especially mentioned for different disease conditions. 8th Shataka has information about hypnotism, Vashikarana Arka Yogas, that is explained there. 9th Shataka explains different Aushadha Varga. 10th Shataka explains different Dhatu purifications and different incineration methods. That is Shodhana and Marana procedures are explained in the 10th Shataka. Total 10 Shatakas are there in this Arka Prakasha, which is written by Ravana. Apart from Ayurveda, a Unani system of medication also uses these medications in larger scale. From 18th century onwards, actually, these preparations were widely adopted in the books of Ayurveda. First reference I told is an Arka Prakasha. In other systems of medicine, it is explained in terms of aromatherapy. We are extracting the essential oils, especially from the volatile drugs. This is Panchavidha Kashaya Kalpana. In Arka Prakasha, it is explained as Kalka, Churna, Rasa, Taila and Arka. Difference of opinions are there for Panchavidha Kashaya, especially for Kashyapa Samhita, Susruta and Ashtangridaya. Sharangadara, Charaka is having almost same opinion. Differences coming to Arka Prakasha, Susruta and Kashyapa Samhita. Here we will explain the preparation of Arka Indra. This is also having references in Arka Prakasha. Clear cut references available in Arka Prakasha. How to prepare Arka Indra. In Sloka it is explained as Loha Churnam Spadigacha Gairika Apshta Mrittiga Mrittigasti Bhavam Churnam Kajam Kikasachamraja Etani Samabhagani Sarvatulyancha Mrittiga Ramshaniyat Panchamutre Gavasha Mahishodbhavai Gaja Aja Sambhavabhyam cha Satikam Tat Vishoshaye Yavad Gandha Vinashaha Syat tavat sammardayet chata. These are the ingredients explained by Arka Prakasha for the preparation of Arka Yandra. You can see here Loha Churna, Spadiga, Gaidika, Prashta Mrittiga, Astibhava Mrittiga, Kaja Churna, Kikasa Raja, Mitti, Pancha Mutra. That is Gava, Ashwa, Mahisha, Gaja and Aja. Mutras of this Pancha. 5 animals should be collected for the preparation of Arka Yandra. Mardana of all this should be done with the above drugs, and when the smell of the drugs Gandha Vinasha occurs, at that time it should be molded into the shape of Arka Yandra, and it should contain a lid, hole, Toya Dara and cork. This is the we just saw the preparation of Arka Yandra. Next we will see the preparation of Arka Patra, that is the receiver for this Arka. Jirnasti Patre Grihiniyad Arkam Vakacha Sambhave Pashanake Adava Patre Abhave Mranmayetse. It is said that you can take the receiver with the preparations of Jirnasti, Mrittiga, Narmida Patra, or Kacha Patra, or Pashana Patra, or Murat Patra, we can take for the preparation of Arka. Let me discuss the general method of preparation of Arka. Method of preparation. Arka Prakasha and Ravana clearly mentioned the pharmaceutical aspects of Arka Kalpana with much detail. I told it, the reference, historical reference available for this Arka preparation is in Arka Prakasha by Ravana. The text explains the general method of Arka preparation, which is as follows. The drugs which should be prepared for this Arka are cleaned and it should be coarsely powdered. And the drugs it should be kept for soaking overnight. Next day morning it is poured into Arka Yandra and the remaining water was added and boiled. The vapors get condensed and collected in a receiver. The vapors which is collected in between contain the active ingredients and it may mixed together to ensure uniformity of the Arka. In recent references it is mentioned that the drugs are soaked, kept overnight. 8 times of water must be added, and Madhyamagni or Tivragni must be maintained during the procedure. And this Arka can be